I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Farmers and ranchers are thankful that wheat and canola crops are in good shape across most of the state. While November has been a real mix of rainfall and temperatures, it was the weather in October that got our winter crops off to a good start. September came in at 2 to 4 degrees above the 10-year Mesonet average. Air temperatures in October were slightly below average by 1 to 2 degrees. The dry southwest was 1 degree above the 10-year average, with a broad band right at the average. Soil moisture was lacking in most of Oklahoma in September. There were a lot of brown-colored areas on the map of fractional water index at the 10-inch depth. These were areas of low soil moisture. The green-colored areas with good soil moisture were isolated. Fortunately, our dry September gave way to a wetter October. The October map of soil moisture shows the turnaround, with the switch in color to much more green and much less brown. The good soil moisture in October and mild temperatures have given farmers and ranchers something to be thankful for, and it's why Oklahoma's wheat and canola are looking good. Here's Gary with the winter outlooks for temperature and precipitation.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Hope you've had a great time with your family and friends. Everybody wants to ask, what's winter going to be like in Oklahoma? Well, the standard answer would be, well, sometimes it's going to be warm, sometimes it's going to be cold, sometimes it's going to be wet, sometimes it's going to be dry. The classic weatherman answer, right? Well, we do actually have a little bit of input from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center. So let's see what they see for this coming winter season. First, we'll look at the precipitation outlook for this winter. Now, the Climate Prediction Center doesn't see many things for Oklahoma equal chances, which basically means there's an equal chance of above, below, or near normal precipitation for the December through February period. That's not to say it's going to be normal or an increased odds of normal, but all three are possible for that 3-month period. Now, the temperature outlook for winter has a little bit more of a clue for Oklahoma. It does show increased odds of warmer than normal temperatures across most of Oklahoma. So it's not necessarily going to happen, and it won't always be warmer than normal, but on average over those 3 months, they look for Oklahoma to be warmer than normal. So some folks will like that, some folks won't. Finally, what does the Climate Prediction Center see coming for the drought situation we have in Oklahoma, especially western Oklahoma? Well, I'm afraid if you look from now through the end of February, they see that drought persisting and even intensifying and developing in parts where there's no drought across western Oklahoma. Now, that's not good news for the folks who have been really mired in drought for more than 3 years now, but unfortunately, that's what the Climate Prediction Center sees, and it doesn't necessarily have to happen, so we can hold our hopes that we actually see some relief this winter. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.